In this video, I'm going to break down the benefits of scalp massaging, how to do it, and I'll share some tips in how you can incorporate it in your hair growth journey. So let's dive into it. Massaging your scalp leads to improve in blood circulation to your hair follicles, which means your hair follicles receive more oxygen and brings in also the nutrients to your hair roots, and all of this promotes healthy hair growth. Scalp massaging reduces tension and stress on your scalp. Stress and tension are usually the main causes of hair shedding. So if you're shedding a lot of hair, you are experiencing abnormal hair shedding, then I would encourage you to incorporate this scalp massaging. It helped me about a year ago. I went through a very difficult period in my life, and for the first time I was shedding hair in very great quantity. When I did a little bit of research, I learned that scalp massaging can help for this problem. So I started incorporating scalp massage into my hair growth routine. It has really brought amazing benefits to my hair. Already my hair sheds very little now, and I'm experiencing the thickness. My hair is beginning to thicken gradually with this regular scalp massaging. So if you are having the same problem, I'll encourage you to go ahead to do a scalp massage from time to time, and you're not going to regret it. Scalp massage also helps your hair. Apart from the oils we apply on our hair has its own natural oils that it produces at the roots. So when you massage your scalp, it stimulates these natural oils to be released, and your hair is going to be moisturized and it is going to be healthy. Scalp massaging also reduces tension at the roots on your scalp. So reducing tension means reducing breakage and reducing shedding on your hair. Scalp massaging leads to a better scalp health, and we know the hair grows from the roots. So the healthier your scalp, the healthier your hair is going to grow. The last but not the least, scalp massaging relieves stress. So especially at the end of the day, a very busy day or a tiring day, then when you do a scalp massage on your head, it really helps to relieve tension, relax your body, and relieve this stress. So it is one of the ways that you care for your own body's health. When you do scalp massaging, you're taking care of your whole body, your mind, and your hair needs all of that. When you are in good health, your body, your mind, then your hair grows better. So incorporating scalp massage is not difficult. So how to do scalp massage? The first thing is you need to have clean hands. Make sure that your hands are clean. You don't want to transfer bacteria onto your scalp with your hands. So make sure you have clean hands before you do your scalp massage. Now you want to also use light oils. This is optional. You can as well massage your hair with your fingers without oil, but for me, I love using a little bit of oil on my fingers so that my fingertips should just glide through my hair. I use a light oil like avocado oil, and I massage my scalp with it, or sometimes I use coconut oil, but I mostly use coconut oil when I'm about to do my wash day, when I'm not far from the wash day. After washing my hair, I start using most of the times avocado oil, but I use very little oil on my hair. So just use a little to just moisturize, make your fingertips to be slippery. It's enough. Then you can go ahead to massage. You can go ahead to massage your scalp with your fingertips and not your fingers. You don't want to wound your scalp with your fingers. So make sure you use just the tips of your fingers and just massage your scalp lightly, gently with them. After putting a little bit of oil, moisturize your scalp, then you do a gentle circular motion like this on your scalp. So you start from your hairline to the back of your hair. You progress like that just for a few minutes. Incorporate this in your hair journey. You don't need to do it every day. You must not do a scalp massage every day, but if you can, there is nothing wrong in it. If you can do it, then just go ahead to do what your hair loves. But for me, I do scalp massaging 3 times or 4 times a week. It depends. Sometimes I forget, but as soon as I remember, I massage my scalp when it is possible. But I cannot go up to 4 days without massaging my scalp. So 3 to 4 times a week is enough, and you are going to see good results. Yes, guys, scalp massage is such a simple and practical thing to do on your hair, and it has lots of benefit, not just for your hair growth, but for your health and for your well-being as a human. So even men do massage their scalp, so it's not just for ladies. So incorporating it into your hair growth journey is going to be a game changer. If you've not been doing this, I encourage you to do that, and to let me know in the comment section if you've had any benefits from scalp massaging, or if you've ever done it before. What did you experience as a result? What are the oils you used? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so.